After serial podcast, prosecutors tested DNA evidence in Adnan Syed case. Hey race what they Baltimore. The HBO series examining the now famous murder case against Adnan Syed left legions of fans in suspense this week at the hint of unknown DNA evidence. The Woodlawn man's case became a national obsession with the hit podcast serial. Millions of listeners. Do tests finally exonerate Syed? Do they incriminate? After the third episode of the tests of about a dozen items either proved inconclusive, showed no DNA or only that of the victim. None tested His attorney C. Justin Brown received the results last year. He worked with there. He drew attention to tests of the teen's fingernail clippings. State prosecutors submitted the evidence for DNA testing in July 2018 as they prepared for Syed's retrial. Brown said he was Frosh's office declined to comment further. The results in HBO documentary series come as Brown considers his next move in the long-running legal battle. 3 weeks ago, Maryland's highest court determined Syed does not deserve a new trial, reversing the opinion of a lower court. The ruling Syed was convicted 19 years ago of killing his former girlfriend and has been serving a life sentence. Visit the Baltimore Sun ed.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.